Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you should hold down power key in order to turn your device off. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, power off, and repair apps. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.